So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to find your printer. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to scroll down and then click on more devices and printer settings. And now this window will appear. You're going to find your printer. You want to right click on it. And then click on set as default printer. And then click on OK. And now the green tick will appear on your default printer. And now you're going to right click on your printer. And then click on see what's printing. And now once this comes up, you're going to click on printer. And then you're going to make sure that you have use printer offline unchecked. So right now it's checked. You just want to uncheck it. And you also want to do the same thing for pause printing. So let's say that pause printing is also checked. You want to click on it, which will then uncheck it. So now pause printing and use printer offline are both unchecked. Now we can just close this out. And then you should be good to go. If this did not work, you just want to restart your computer. And then that should fix your problem.